All right. We are live. Good morning, Gio. I'm doing well. A little tired this morning, but doing good. How you doing? Market opens here in 9 minutes. Morning, Scott. How you doing? Trump's supposed to speak this morning, apparently, so I'll be kind of watching out for that. Don't really want to trade while Trump's on the air. But, yeah. You're a mess, Scott. That's not good. Dan, good morning. Good morning, good morning. Hope everyone's doing well today. Got the iFVG Autotrader up. And, yeah, no trades overnight. No trades overnight with this. Had a few trades yesterday that were pretty good, especially in the afternoon. Had two nice wins in the afternoon. Had one win, one loss in the morning. So overall, I mean, if you left it running all day yesterday, a nice three wins and one loss. So pretty nice from market open to market close. Pre-market I think was nothing yesterday as well. So any second change that is. I've been liking generally what I'm using here. A lot of times, like I put in the chat yesterday, I like to, fiddle with the settings every day or every week at least, and just kind of look back because you can see the past trades on the chart. So I like to tweak some settings, look back and see how it's been performing. And if, I tweak something and I'm like, oh, this is one like 10 out of the last 15 trades or something, I might, try that. But yeah, generally just the same thing I've been using. 5 fair value gap size and 20 and 100 on the strategy, 300 and 0. The 0 you could definitely bump towards like 40 or 60 or something, and that'll help eliminate a lot of bad trades as well. But live stream settings, generally I just leave it at 0. That way we get some action on the live stream. But yeah, Scott, just you can just DM me and I'll set you up whenever you want. But yeah, we do have Jolt's job openings this morning. High impact at 10. Hello, Samuel. Hello. So yeah, we got Jolt's at 10. Trump's supposed to speak. And then tomorrow we have PMI and some ADP non-farm. Thursday, unemployment claims. Friday is NFP. So, and there's a bunch of rumors about, the government shutting down or something like that for a couple days. So it's going well. Samuel, how you doing? Good. Awesome. I'm doing well. But yeah, we're just gonna be chilling. If you guys have any questions, you of course let me know. But yeah, these settings I think have been doing pretty good. Obviously, I think they may be doing a little better if you put a minimum stop loss on it, like 40 ticks or 60 ticks, because like here's a loss that would have been avoided with a, if you set a minimum stop loss, because it's a really tight stop there. This one, that one's still kind of small, but partial win, partial loss. So sometimes pre-market's not great, but again, if you're limiting the stop loss size, like this is only 15 points. A lot of the wins past few days have just been happening during market hours, like 8:30 here, 10:30 here, full win. So pre-market hasn't been the best, but this was yesterday. Again, market hours doing the best. So we'll see how it does today. See how it does. Egg Seth is speaking to the whole of the general staff now. I hope not. Yeah, I have it pulled up. Hopefully it doesn't do much, but do have to be aware of it, that's for sure. Yeah, market opens 4 minutes. We have some highs marked out already. I'll probably do a video on the semi-auto version. I haven't done much on the semi-auto just because I know people are going to be lazy and just use the auto no matter what. So semi-auto version of this, marking out your own liquidity. But yeah, we got that up. We got everything rolling. And yeah. Thanks for joining, hanging out. Of course, I'll be running the Autotrader, and if I see anything manually, I'll definitely let everyone know. But right now, I'm wanting a move higher. We have London high and Asia high pretty much right at 55, 855, 857. It's everywhere. I don't know what but yeah, we have those London Asia session highs. And yeah, 10 a.m. news. 50% levels at 806. So watch that for a key level. Then we also have a hourly low at 774. London low at 754. Previous day low down at 720. So we have a lot of swing points, a lot of highs and lows that we can watch for reversals off of. So we'll see, but a lot of potential today. I would say a lot of potential. So be patient, and I am pretty sure something will most likely pop up in our favor today, right? Again, 50% level is at 806 right now. Could watch for a bounce off that on the open, but or maybe a move higher, or if we hold below that, then I'd just be targeting London low or something. But yeah, we have 3 levels above us, 3 levels below us, so it's just like where we want to go first, I think. ES, kind of the same thing. ES is slightly below the 50% level right now, so a little difference there. But again, London low below us, London high, Asia high above us. So we'll see what happens here. Last day of September, so maybe we can end the month good. And Trump's on the market, or on live TV right now. Trump is speaking right this second. Okay. Risk per trade, this one's set to 500. It should just be based strictly on your account size. Last day of the quarter as well. Oh, didn't realize that. What time is London open and close? Mine is on my chart here, marks it out from 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. for London session. Yeah, Trump is literally talking right this second, so. Big drop there in the open. All right, so pretty big opening candles here. Down 38 points. Down 38 points already, so. We'll see what happens. NQ's bouncing off the 50% right now. And ES is also above the 50% level again. And bouncing. So, not liking how bullish ES is. Yeah, ES moving up, NQ moving down. They're completely inverse right now, pretty much. NQ still moving down. So NQ is below the 50% level right now. ES is now above, so they've kind of switched what they're doing. The nearest hourly low on NQ is 774. So see if we go down there, or if we just kind of hover while Trump is speaking, we might just chop. And then yeah, jolts at 10. So if nothing screams, you know, take a trade right here, then probably just wait till 10. So still spiking here, spiking down. We're going for the lows. 774. Here comes ES as well. Here comes ES. We just tapped it. Got 3 ticks. Okay, there's a sweep. There's a sweep. So we're currently already down 59 points. So the range is expanding a bit. And generally, overnight was pretty choppy, which means we most likely will see the expansion this morning in New York session. Sometimes when it's really, really expansive overnight, we don't see much in New York, but it's pretty choppy, so we'll probably see something this morning. Swept the hourly low. I would like to see London low get swept. 754. It's going down for it right now. 754. We just hit 756. Longs would be valid from here. Yeah, longs would be valid here. There's a 1 minute right there. I would like to see the London low sweep first, though. I would like to see the London low sweep. We haven't swept it. Yeah, missed London low still, so... Shoot your question, Mr. Ball. All right, moving back down here. ES also moving lower, but haven't swept any hourly lows here on ES, so want to see NQ sweep. Reversing, reversing. Trump speaking, though. Trump is speaking. And we missed London low, so I almost would rather find a short targeting London low first. I don't really want to take a long quite yet. All right, rejecting that bearish gap still. Right there, rejecting that. London low is literally like right here, so we'll want to see that. I'm not joining a call right now. Whoever just called me on Discord. All right, London low is swept there. You can ask your questions in the chat. You don't need to DM me. All right, London low. The only thing below us now is previous day low at 720. We do have an SMT as well with NQ and ES, because ES has not swept the London low. So all right. So yeah, we swept 1 hourly low, and then we swept obviously the London low. Yeah. Now, I mean, I would like to see a reversal towards the upside, but again, we have previous day low right here at 720. So if we go down any more, then I'd just be expecting 720. So kind of looks like we want to go for that. I mean, if you could still find a short towards previous day low, wouldn't be bad. All right. Reminder, Apex's 80% off sale ends today. They do have cheap lifetime activations. It's like 85 bucks for lifetime activation. So ES is tapping the 50% right now, kind of rejecting it. Kind of rejecting that. Let's see. Yeah. Be patient this morning, guys. Jolts in about 20 minutes. Trump's still speaking. If we go any lower from here, we're definitely going for that previous day low, I think. So we'll see what happens. But right now we're kind of just chilling and not doing much. So it's always risky to take trades with Trump speaking. So yeah, so maybe the only trade we'd get here is if we broke back above this gap, which wouldn't be terrible. Wouldn't be my favorite, but then that's about it, guys. Otherwise, probably waiting for more of like previous day low to get hit, which is down at 720. All right, so we're moving up now. Moving up now. See if we get, I don't know if it'll take this, but we'll see. 1 minute here. A lot of really good momentum. Yeah. Instant rejection off the 50% level, which I've been telling you guys you should mark out all the time. 50% levels right here. Hey man, if you don't want to like talk about normal things, I'm just gonna ban you from the chat. But yeah, 50% levels right here, guys. Definitely gotta be careful with that. So longs were valid though. We swept London low. It's just, I mean, we ended up rocketing from there. I mean, it would have been nice, but 1-to-1 from a 30-second down here. There's a 30-second trade right here. Entry would have been where the stop loss is. That would have hit a 1-to-1. But that's about it. Yeah, I'm in a trade here. Okay. What do we have here? The only bad thing about this trade, guys, is, again, the 50% level is pretty much, let me see, 799, literally like right where our entry is. So it's not looking good at this moment in time. We want to get a closure. If we get a closure above 800, it would look a lot better. But as we're sitting right now, it does not look great. Okay, it does not look great. And there's a stop out. Trump speaking, random spike. That's kind of unfortunate because NQ didn't spike down there. So the low here was 74. The low on NQ was 83. So big divergence between NQ and MNQ. And we may have just, again, because I just said there was crazy divergence there between NQ and MNQ, we might have just gotten wicked out. Well, it's not just 800s a major level, it's just the 50% levels right here as well. But I think we may have just gotten wicked out because of MNQ. Like, let me switch over to NQ and just see, out of curiosity. Re-enable real quick. You're on NQ, did not get wicked out. Yeah. Yeah, so NQ is still in the trade. The stop's probably right here, 775. It's just MNQ. Yeah. Got wicked. Again, still not getting a closure above the 50% level. 50% level is pretty much right here. And you can see, you know, if you watch the WAP videos I've made, 50% level is pretty key. So, yeah, I don't know. Need a closure like up here, like a nice close above. Otherwise, this is gonna lose too. But I'm gonna switch back to MNQ here. Trump is giving a speech. Trump's giving a speech. Just rejected the 50% level. That NQ trade stopped out as well. What is with you guys? Like some of you this morning, like, what are you doing? Just wait for jolts in 8 minutes here. Hasn't really been anything yet. Nothing really good that I can see. So I would just wait for jolts. All else I would see is maybe a short here towards the Sunday night low. So yeah, that's the only thing I'd be watching. Maybe a combined 1 minute short here. Basically like through these gaps. I don't know why it's saying the stop out's down there after I reloaded. But because it was right here. I believe, yeah. Yeah, short here, potential. But again, jolts soon. So I would just wait for that. Yeah. Otherwise, guys, we're just waiting here for jolts. That's my recommendation to you. Okay. Reminder, last day of the month too, so price might be a little interesting this morning. Well, the short would have worked. Oh. I was thinking about doing a short. Like, I was finger on the trigger, but I didn't pull. Didn't pull it. Would have just hit about a 1-to-1. Yeah, would have just hit a 1-to-1. Stops would be break even now. Targeting 721, which is Sunday 6 p.m. open low. And that would have been a beautiful trade. Yeah, so that trade would have just hit TP. So okay, seems quite bearish. Yeah, we'll see. I mean, it's definitely going down. Jolts is in 5 minutes. We didn't sweep the Sunday night low. We actually got 3 ticks, 2 ticks away. So, still in that. The short would have been pretty much right here, down to 720, which is right there. Have another for value gap here. But jolts being in 3 minutes is pretty much a no-go. Wow, so we missed previous day low by 2 ticks, and we would have came right back up to the entry on that short. Again, jolts here, jolts in 3 minutes, so I wouldn't take anything yet. Just wait for jolts. Even though this long looks pretty good, I think, but didn't get a close anyway. Trump needs to get off the air, man. He's been on there for 30 minutes already. Needs to get off the air. I have a feeling it might take this, so we'll see. Well, actually, I mean, no sweep recently, but it might still be counting this. We'll see. No, okay. I would have taken this manually. I would have taken this manually, but kind of just sucks that Trump speaking. We have news right here. Spectator doing well, awesome. Oh, did I black out the screen? Oops. All right, well, 1 minute in the news. The news comes out. There's been some good trades this morning. That 1 minute long that took here, that was a good trade. But it rejected the 50% level. So another thing where if you start marking out the 50% level and you know it might take a trade into that, you might turn it off. Or this was also a good trade. Obviously didn't take that, but good potential trade here. But Trump speaking and there's news in 30 seconds. So better be safe than sorry, yeah. All right. Well, here comes jolts. Trump needs to really just finish up his speech, though. Yeah, that long's ripping. Jolts is here. And we're getting some volume. We're not spiking too much. I don't know what that means. Yeah, so there's been some good trades today. There's good opportunities, but with Trump speaking and stuff, news, we'll see if it gets better now. 10 a.m., you know. Jolts is red folder on Forex Factory and Financial Juice. But Well, guys, now we're kind of just waiting again. I mean, we are just ranging. We're just ranging. Let's see, from high to low, 108 points. So we're moving, but we're still moving. Dang. There's been like three trades that I've thought about taking myself manually. All of them would have worked. But I didn't take any of them. So that's when you know, like, your next trade will probably be a loser. Yeah. We're right at the 50% level again, so we'll see if we'll go back towards London highs. But it's kind of weird though, we didn't sweep the previous the Sunday night low. We got 2 ticks away, so we made equal lows. Probably come back to that at some point, so need to kind of remember that. All right. What are we doing? What are we doing? So if we had the semi-auto mode on and we marked out this low right here, most likely would have taken this long. Put options? Interesting. But we're pumping. And now we're dumping. Okay, Geo, there you go. Holy smokes. Holy smokes. I told you we're going to come back to that previous day low that we made equal lows with. Maybe this is it. Maybe this is it. Weird conditions, yeah. Yeah, I was thinking today would be good, and it might still play out good, but I don't know, man. Coming for the previous day lows, and there's another like 2-minute short you could take, but you'd have to chase so much with that. So still a minute and a half left, and it's already past where you'd want the entry. So another trade potentially here, but oi, oi, oi. So Gia, what are you thinking? You thinking shorts look decent, longs, or you just staying sideline? Pro volatility? Yeah. Again, another instance. If you guys just keep saying random stuff, I'm just gonna like make sure no one can ever see your messages ever. So I don't know why there's so many random bots in the stream this morning. Well, I don't know. Yeah, full time. For a couple years. Because I just graduated college a year and a half ago, so ever since then, I guess. Trump is still speaking. Alright guys, I think we're just gonna call it a stream here. Okay, we're chopping, Trump speaking. We're gonna call it a day. One loss. Thanks for joining, and hopefully tomorrow is better. I'll see you guys. See ya.